Okay na, Tiano.
Okay. Good morning, class. Welcome to our virtual classroom. By the way, I am Jovelyn Tihada Tihano, your math teacher for today. But before I proceed to our discussion, let me present first our classroom rules. So first, mute your microphone to avoid distraction during class discussion. Second, if you have questions or ideas regarding the topic, please state your family name so that we can identify you. Third, please wear appropriate attire. And lastly, listen attentively to the discussion because I will be calling you anytime to ask some questions regarding the lesson. So now let's proceed to our activity. So our activity entitled Pair a Pair. So now we have column A and column B. So you are going to pair the expression in column A and column B to illustrate a ratio of two expressions. So now, what is the expression form in number 1, column A when we pair it in column B?
Eleazar, ma'am.
Jessa? Okay, go ahead.
The expression in column A, ma'am, is in fraction form.
Okay, very good. That's correct. So how about expression number 2?
Sumili, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead.
The expression is also in fraction form, ma'am.
Yes, you are right. Very good. So now, here are the expression form. So, now what have you noticed in numerator and denominator of the expressions? Agabon, do you have any idea?
Yes, ma'am. So the numerator and denominator of the expressions are all polynomials.
Very good. That's correct. So now, our activity is the foundation of our topic for today. So our topic for today, class, is all about rational algebraic expressions. So here are our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student shall define rational algebraic expression and evaluate rational algebraic expression. So now let's define first rational algebraic expression. So a rational algebraic expression is an expression that can be written in the form P over Q, where P and Q are polynomials and Q must not be equal to 0. So, in other words, a rational algebraic expression is an expression whose numerator and denominator are polynomials. From the previous activity, expressions formed in column A and column B are polynomials because they are in expression form. So now, let's proceed to evaluate algebraic expression. So evaluating a rational algebraic expression is exactly like evaluating any other expression. So now for us to know on how to evaluate algebraic expression, I have an example here. So evaluate the expression y squared minus 1 over y cubed minus 3 when y is 2. So class, in evaluating rational algebraic expression, there are two steps. First, or the step 1, replace the variable y with a given value. So in this example class, the variable here is y. So now we are going to replace y to 2. So we have 2 squared minus 1 over 2 cubed minus 1. Then our step 2, simplify the numerator and the denominator. So we have here 2 squared is equals to 4. Then we have minus 1 over 2 cubed is equals to 8. Then minus 6. Sorry class, ano ni siya na mali. Minus 6 na siya dira. So now let's simplify. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3 and 8 minus 6 is equals to 5. Ay namali po din yung class. 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. Sorry class. Did you get it class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Is there any clarification?
None, ma'am.
Okay, so now that you have no any clarification, let us proceed to our activity entitled Know My Value. So class, I will group you into two groups. Group 1 will be Agabon and Sumeli. Group 2 will be Maito and PSR. So, Group 1 will answer problem 1 and Group 2 will answer problem 2. So, here is our direction. Direction. Evaluate the rational algebraic expressions. Write your answer on 1/4 sheet of paper. So, I'll just give you 1 minute to answer this. You may start now. Time is up. Okay, representative for Group 1, present your answer. Miss Sumili, can you present for Group 1?
Ma'am.
Can you present for Group 1 representative?
So, the value of x, ma'am, is 20 over
Can you
11.
present for Group 1? Very good. That's correct. For 2.
Ito, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead.
Ay! Masay mo to, Nadia? Nagtaren? Wait, bra. O, Nadia, Je.
So, what is your answer?
-1, ma'am.
Very good. That's correct. So, excellent class. All of your answers are correct. So now, to sum up, who can recall the step 1 in evaluating rational algebraic expression?
Jin, ang tawa daw ang yabis.
Okay, ma'am.
Jin, ang
The step 1, ma'am, is replace the variable by given value.
Very good. Yes. That's the step 1. So how about the step 2?
Ito, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead.
Step 2 involves simplify the numerator and denominator.
Okay, very good. That's correct. So I think that's all for today, class. Thank you for your cooperation. I hope you learned a lot from this topic. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much, Jov, for your presentation. So now I will